Hi YouTube, just thought I'd make a quick video on this amp which I'll be installing with a Pioneer sub. It's the GM-A5702. It's 1000 watts maximum, which is not its true power, but it's rated at 480 watts RMS on a 4 ohm load, so which is perfect for the sub I'm using it for. It's really well made, and it's made in Vietnam, not China, so that's something a bit different because normally they're in China. But yeah, it's got some nice fuses, some nice chunky terminal blocks. It feels quite nice. It's not so heavy, it's not so light, and it does have some nice options here. So you got some crossover frequency, bass boost, gain, input. You can have low level RCA, or you can tap into your factory speakers out. So it does come with a little adapter that goes in, which you tap into your speakers, so that's your high level input. But overall it's really nice, and that's the packaging it comes in. One thing I do like is it does have these like vents over here, and it's got some vents there, so if you mounting it, it's good to know it'll get some airflow. I have seen some reviews saying they do run a bit hot, but I'm not sure if that's to do with where it's been mounted or what cabling's been used. But overall I am impressed with how it looks. I will connect it and test it out and do another review on how good the output power is. Okay, thanks YouTube. Please like, subscribe, and push on notifications for more videos of reviews of kit, car audio, PCs, laptops, etc. Check our website, www.thunderdomain.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.